Here is a quick comparison between Base44 and Bubble. Base44 can make your dream into reality. You can just go ahead and add prompts on your end and click on the arrow orange button that you can see on the right. You can consider yourself limitless when you use this kind of application. You can also create at the speed of thought, and there are different ideas or templates that you can use. For Bubble, Bubble is an AI where you can help or it can help you launch apps and not prototypes. So unlike to Base44, it can't actually produce apps, but here on the other hand, it can produce apps on Bubble. You can just go ahead and add some props on your end and generate and deploy. You can also generate deploy skill on Bubble depending on what you like, on what you do, and take your ideas into app. Now here's a table for a quick comparison. For feature, primary workflow, Base44 is conversation and prompting while Babel is for visual workflow and builder. For time to MVP, Base44 is minute to hours, while Babel is days to weeks. On control and scale, Base44 is for lower customization ceiling, while Babel is for highest customization and scale. So, if you want more incompatible, you can use Base44. Now, if you want a more challenging app, you can use Bubble.